The good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 20 from verse 9 to verse 19. The story about the tenant them. Then Jesus tell the people them that story. You did have one man with a plant up one grape farm, rent it to some farmer and go away for one long time. When at the time for reap the food, he send one servant got the tenant them to get him share. Them beat him up and send him away with nothing. Him send one another servant. Them beat him up too, shame him and send him away with him too long on them. Him still send one another servant. That make 3. Them beat him up and throw him out. The owner for the garden say, what me fi do? Me go send me boy picnic when me love. They might have respect for him. When the tenant them see the picnic, they say to them one another, I that one you go get everything when his father did. Make we kill him so we get it. Them throw him out of the garden and kill him. Jesus asked the people them say, so what do you think the owner of the garden are going to do to them? He might go come and kill off the tenant them and take the farm give other people. When the people them hear this, them say, we hope said this will never happen. Jesus looked straight in at their eye and asked them, what do you think it mean when it right down say, the rock stone the builder fling away, and it a wall up the building now. Everybody will drop on the rock stone here, I go broke up in a pieces, and who it drop pan, I go mash up bad. The law teacher them and the head priest them look for one way to lock up Jesus same time, cause they know say a them him did a chat about, but them did afraid of the people. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God